अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं उस्मान ज़हीर और मैं आज आपको बीसी के अंदर एग्ज़ाम स्केड्यूल कैसे करते हैं और उनसे एग्ज़ाम की डेट कैसे कमिट करनी है इसके बारे में बताऊंगा। ऑनलाइन पोर्टल के थ्रू हम लोग अप्लाई जो करते हैं उसका प्रोसीजर मैं बताऊंगा। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल का आइकन बटन जो है ज़रूर दबा दें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो आपके पास टाइमली पहुंच सके। तो आज कुछ मैंने डेटा जो है वो इनकी ऑफिशियल जो वेब पेज है वहाँ से कुछ लिया है ताकि कुछ लोगों को अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन, अपने डेस्कटॉप, लैपटॉप से वो डेटा कलेक्ट करने में, समझने में मुश्किल हो रही है। तो बड़ा आसान और इजी भी है, तो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा आसानी होगी। आप इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें ताकि आपके पास सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंच सके। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं।
This video outlines how apprentices can schedule their exams in the Skilledtrade's BC portal, get answers to frequently asked questions, and view scheduled exams. Tap Exam Booking on the dashboard. The Submit Exam Request section allows apprentices to view all the available locations and time slots and submit a request to schedule an exam at their selected location. Tap Submit Exam Request. You will then be directed to New Apprentice Requests page. Type in the request title. Select Exams under the request type and Exam Scheduling as a subtype. Exam details are listed below. Select the program, trade, name in the drop-down menu. The drop-down options will only display the exams that you're eligible for. Select the exam from the Program Name drop-down menu. If you require accessibility options or services during the exam, tap Yes and select the type of accommodation in the drop-down list. Select your preferred location and date. If the selected location has a slot available within the next 30 to 90 days, the preferred exam date drop-down menu will list dates and times to choose from. If there are no slots available within the next 30 to 90 days, the preferred exam date drop-down menu will be empty and you must choose an alternate location. Tap Next. Upon completing the exam details and accommodation, apprentices will be directed to the Fees section of the request. Apprentices are not required to pay a fee for the first 2 attempts. On the third and subsequent attempts, apprentices will be required to pay an exam fee to schedule an exam. The number of exam attempts is pre-populated. Tap Next. Ensure you've read the privacy policy. Check the attestation checkbox and tap Submit. Once submitted, the exam will appear under My Scheduled Exams. The status will change to Pending. Apprentices can submit a request to schedule an exam via the My Apprentice Inquiries tab as well. Select New Request. Select Exams as the request type and Exam Scheduling as the subtype. Once you've selected these types, an exam scheduling table will be displayed. Complete the exam details. Follow the steps provided to schedule an exam. Frequently asked questions can be accessed through the link at the bottom of the page. This section addresses frequently asked questions and outlines the process for scheduling exams within the portal. Tap the plus icon to access responses to each query. Certain responses may include links to the Skilledtrade's BC web